Today we are learning striped weave. This is a design of my own invention, and it's really just a way to use two colors of thread to create a striped effect with some great texture. We'll start by laying down parallel stripes made of 4 threads each, sewn in satin stitch. The gap in between each stripe needs to be at least wide enough for 2 more threads, although I like to leave a little bit more extra space so that the weaving is easier. Once you have all your wide stripes laid down, switch to a new thread color and fill in the open areas with more parallel stripes, this time only 2 stitches wide. Now that the whole area is filled in with this alternating colors and width set of stripes, we'll begin weaving in the perpendicular direction. Using that second color, we'll now add wide stripes, 4 threads thick, weaving them underneath the ground threads of the same color and over the ground threads of the other color. Once your first 4 threads, 1 wide stripe, are down, continue adding more across the entire shape, always leaving enough space for at least 2 threads in between the stripes, and always weaving them in the exact same way, under the matching color of ground threads and over the other color of ground threads. Finally, we'll finish off the design by returning to our first color of thread and adding the 2-stitch stripes in between the wider ones. These thin stripes will weave over the ground threads of the other color and under the ground threads of the same color, or over the thin stripes and under the wide stripes. Keep weaving until the entire section is filled in with this woven striped design. And that's striped weave. Don't forget to add a border with your favorite outline stitch. And we're done!